So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Deno on your Windows 11 PC. So firstly, let's move in our browser. I will be using Chrome browser and then I will type here as Deno. We have to click the first link, that is Deno the next generation JavaScript runtime.
When you scroll down, you will see some commands for Windows, Linux, as well as Mac OS.
Since I am using Windows, so I will just copy this one. And now let's close our browser. Just click here and then open your terminal as administrator. Click yes. After that, we just have to paste that command. That will start installing our Deno. This will take some seconds. So yeah, you can see that Deno was installed successfully into this particular location. Okay, now we can just open a new terminal here and close the older one and just type Deno. You can see that you have successfully entered the Deno command line. If you want to exit, you can exit using these. I will use Ctrl plus G. If you want to check the Deno version, just go with this command. Alternatively, this command also works. You can see that both of these commands are showing that Deno 2.5.6 is currently installed in your PC. So that's it for today's video guys. Now let's see you next time.